Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle with pickle powder. Start by measuring pickle powder for your jar, then dissolve it in warm water until smooth. Add vinegar, salt, and a pinch of sugar to taste, stirring to combine. Pack vegetables tightly, pour the brine over them, and seal the jar. Let flavors meld at room temperature for a few hours before refrigerating for best crunch and tang. Choose firm, fresh vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, or onions and slice them evenly so each piece pickles at the same rate. If you want extra crunch, salt or briefly blanch cucumbers to draw out excess moisture. Layer aromatics like garlic, dill, or mustard seeds in the jar for added flavor. Pack the vegetables tightly but without crushing, then pour in the prepared pickle powder brine to cover completely. Pour the hot brine over your packed vegetables, leaving a little headspace at the top of the jar to allow expansion. Let jars cool to room temperature before refrigerating for quick pickles, or process in a water bath if you want shelf-stable jars. Store refrigerated pickles for several weeks and label each jar with the date so you know freshness. Taste after a day and enjoy crunch that improves over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.